Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share car designs in Forza Horizon 6. It's quite easy. All you need to do, just press escape or open menu, go to My Horizon tab, select return home and just select yes. Once you're on the screen, select the tab cars, and in the cars tab you can see the option designs and paints. Select this and just choose this one, my designs, and in my designs you'll able to see all of your saved designs which you can basically share. So this is the design which I want to share. So for that I need to select this one and just simply select the option share. Now you can choose the keyword 1 and keyword 2. You can also enter the description. For instance, I'm gonna type here LLE 65. Select OK. So these things makes easy for people to find your car design easily, but there's another way which you can use to let people find your car design more easily. I'll show you later, but for now we need to basically click on this option share, and yep, we have successfully shared a car design. Like if we select the car design again, we'll able to see this option unshare. It means that the car is shared. We can back out from this now, and to allow people to find your car more easily, you can hover over to your car design and you should see the option view share code. Select that. So this is the code which you can share with people. After they enter the code, they'll able to find your exact car design as long as you got your car active and shared. So it is that easy to share your car design in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.